guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing fabulous today. Today's video is sponsored by WowAfrican. They sent me over one of their wigs, so I'll be installing it and giving you my review. Before I get into it, remember to leave a like on the video before you go and to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. These are the goodies that came in the package. You know we love to get the goodies. And this is the unit, guys. It is the Ombre Brown Hollywood Wave HD Lace unit. It's a 9x6 pre-everything wear and go glueless wig. So as you can see here, it's pre-bleached, it's pre-plucked, and it's a 9x6 HD lace. So you get a lot of lace, a lot of parting space, but they did pre-part it in the center, and that's a nice deep parting. Let me remove that packaging so you can see the lace even clearer. You can see that pre-bleached knots, and they did a really good job with those knots. It does look really realistic. This is what it's looking like on the back of my hand. Now the hair itself is in 22 inches and it's 250% density. As I mentioned, you can do so much with this unit. You can remove the combs. It does have the silicone. You can add it back if you wish, take it off. And it does have the anti-slip silicone around the perimeter of the unit. This helps to keep the wig staying fitted on your head. It also has the drawstring technology. This is a game changer. It's so innovative because it allows your unit to stay on your head, and then it has this C-shaped design so that the unit can fit comfortably around your ears. So they definitely checked all the boxes. So let's go ahead and get this installed. The link to the unit will be in the description of the video, so please go ahead and check that out down below. So basically, I just put the wig on my head, position the lace, and draw the string, and this is what it's looking like. The lace just magically melt into my skin with no work needed. You can see here that it's a deep parting space. You can change the parting if you wish, so the unit is very flexible. You can definitely switch your styles up. The curls are looking really good and voluminous as well. This is a straight from the pack to your head, out the door, to an event, to a function, out for a date night kind of unit. So no work is needed. It's everything done for you, but I'm here to show you how flexible it can be. So let's work on the unit a little bit. I am using my wax stick and my hot comb to get the top of the unit flat, making sure there are no flyaways, and I'm just going to be parting through and working in sections until I reach the top of the unit. Now I'm going to be using this Rapid Shine foaming lotion, and I'm going to be adding that to the lace. What this does, it just allows everything, your lace, the hair, to blend into the skin more seamlessly, and there is no need for any sprays or any glues at all. So it's still 100% glueless. Once I add that to the hairline, I comb it in, and then I use a band. You can use any band that you have in the house just to add some compression and let this sit on the unit until you are finished doing your makeup or adding in some curls or whatever you choose to do. So right now I'm just combing through the curls, and I think what I want to do with this unit, I want it to have a curly vibe. So I think I'm going to be using my curling wand to get some curls added back into this unit, guys. So basically what I'm doing, I'm parting through the hair in sections, really small sections, and then I'm wrapping that around my curler just to get some loose curls added into the unit. This does take a little bit of time because I'm going in and doing it in smaller sections. You don't have to. You can do it in larger sections, but I'm trying to accomplish a very curly look, which I don't usually do. So I'm in the vibe for it, and that is what I'm trying to accomplish here. Now that I'm finished with curling, let's take a look on the lace here and melted into the skin with minimal work. You can see how realistic that looks. Definitely looking like it's coming from my scalp. This is real HD lace, so one lace matches all skin tones. You don't have to worry about it not matching. It's gonna match. And it's also upgraded because all the knots are tiny and clean bleached. It also mimics the forehead contour, so it fits so well. No glue needed at all. I just added in a little bit of baby hair. I love adding in baby hair, especially with my curly units. And as a finishing touch, I'm using my concealer, and I'll brighten and define that parting space. But really, that is it for the installation process. Really quick, really easy. So this is the finished look of the unit, guys, and as I mentioned, no glue, no spray. This unit, I can just take it off my head and I can just add it back on. I definitely love the color transition of the unit. I think it's beautiful. The curls are popping. They came out exactly how I wanted them. I experienced no shedding, no tangling, so this wig will definitely have a longer lifespan because it's of such good quality. The link to the unit is in the description, so please go ahead and check that out. And yeah, this is basically what the back is looking like. Thank you so much to WowAfrican for sponsoring today's video. Let me run my comb through the lace so you can see no glue, absolutely glueless. So yeah, the link will be in the description, guys. I love you all. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.